Hi and welcome back to my channel. This video is Christmas decoration. I am doing this decoration with a fish bowl. So before we start, just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's begin. We need a fish bowl, some colorful papers, scissor, X-Acto knife and glue. We also need small Christmas tree for decoration. For the house I am using a yellow color paper and a ruler for the measurement. You see the lines here? I am just going to fold the paper in these areas. Add the glue here, but before that I draw the windows and going to cut it out with the X-Acto knife. This is a salt dough. I used salt, flour and warm water. Then I mix them together. So next I am going to make a snowman with this dough. First I take a small part from the dough, roll it. Then I cut the bamboo skewer into a small part and adding it into the middle. Then I am going to add the other portion above it. Then I add the hands, draw the eyes and nose, and my snowmans are ready. I take the fish bowl and fill it with flour. Then I am going to add the house, trees and snowmans into it and we will see the result. So here it is. I hope you will like this video. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. Merry Christmas to all of you. And also check my another video on Christmas. See you. Bye.